We have a lot of kids that learn differently. We have 115 kids with 115 different personalities and 115 different ways that they learn. So, trying to find creative outlets for them to where we can encourage them instead of discourage them from what they're trying to do. It's very hard for the kids sometimes to come in and apply themselves academically because they're struggling in some way, shape, or form. Or it's hard for them to kind of find where they fit, even here. Despite whatever we try to do to make them feel like this is a safe space and they fit in, it's still hard sometimes when you have this many different people. So I feel like putting this space in the building allows our kids to just come in and everyone's at the same level. This is new for everybody, and they just get to come in with a clean slate and just express who they are. The sky is literally the limit. I'm just excited. Hard to put into words exactly how we feel, but I'm excited.